it.
Not that now. Right this minute, it's good. We might make it taller. No, when she stood up before, she was standing on that knee.
It'll be easy now.
Thank you.
I think she likes it, Mom.
Where are you going?
Well, at least she's coming over here, not.
Now what do I do?
No, let's not go up there.
Oh.
Come this way.
Baby? Or the puppy?
Are you dancing?
Come here.
What are you doing?
Nope. Tell him I'll take care of it on Friday.
Come here. Look, Madeline.
Having a show.
Fast.
You know what? Joey, make it a little taller now just to see how she reacts.